Hi, I'm Himanshu Sharma. I'm a college student and I study in BITS Goa. BITS Goa is a college in Goa state of India. For the past 2-3 years, I've been living at my college campus, inside my campus at my hostel only. But because of this lockdown, I'm staying at my current address in Jaipur, which is also in India. Now that was about me. Why did I take this course? Well, the first reason is I've always been dreaming about becoming a good, efficient public speaker, and I'm thrilled by the idea of just speaking in front of everyone. But at the same time, it has also been one of my biggest fears, which I want to overcome. I've always thought about taking some classes on it and working on those skills, but I didn't get much time or didn't motivate myself. But this time I've got enough time and sufficient motivation inside me, so I'm getting into doing this course. And I've also taken introduction to public speaking course as well. I've done that course, and that was the first course in this specialization, and I would really recommend you guys to take that course as well. It was taken by Professor Matt only. It is a very good course. And now, what kind of presentations have I done? In sort of form of presentations, I've till now, since I'm a college student, I've only done those presentations which have come in my way. For example, I once took a environment related course, and in that course I did a presentation on circular economy. Now, to give you a little brief about what circular economy is, it's basically your company makes a product and the buyer buys the product, it uses it, and instead of throwing the product, which would of course cause harm to the environment, it will return the product back to the company and it will use the raw materials if possible and make a new product. So that's about a little bit about circular economy. I've also given an informative speech on K-pop as a part of final assignment for my intro to public speaking course, which I just mentioned. That video is present at my YouTube playlist, where this video will also be present. Do check it out if you like. Now, a great speaker for me is someone who is able to motivate me, who is able to thrill me and give me the information which I really want in a way that I am excited about the information. Now, from a great speaker, Steve Jobs comes to my mind, and he was, as you know, the co-founder of Apple. And the thing about him is he's able to deliver and tell about the products which Apple has created, the technologies, the new technologies Apple has created in such a simple way, in such a useful way, and tells what all difficulties and what all things which people need this product is providing. And at the same time, he's using his slides so effectively that we are able to get everything which we want. And also his talk is very engaging as well. Like, take the talk of MacBook Air or take the talk of Apple iPhone when he first introduced it. It just changed the world, right? So I want to become like him, and I think this course would really help me. The first week have been fabulous, and I hope we all guys would help each other by giving constructive feedback in order to improve.